Good morning, students. How are you all? Very good. I hope you good at your home. In previous video, we have started revise first and question A and B is completed. I hope your yesterday's homework has been completed. Now today we are going to the next topic. Before topic will be start, write down today's date. Date is 8th of July 2020 and day is Wednesday. Okay. Now page number 17 and question number C. Write numerals for the following. Students, in previous video we already learned numerals. So question number C is depend on numerals. Now let us start. In this question, question number C, here 1 to 10 questions, and this all is the in word form, and you write down in number form. It means numerals form. Okay. Now let's start solving. First, 664. 664. So how to write 664? So first write down the number is 6. 100 means obviously a 3-digit number. Okay. So next is 60 means again 6, and last is 4. So write down 4. This is the number of 664. Now second is 346. 346. Okay, means 3, 4 and 6 numbers is there. Now next is 559. So how to write? Students, write down first number is 5. 100 it means 3-digit number. This is the place of 100. Okay, I'm writing here. This is 100 place, means 5. 190. 10 place, which number on 10th place? 90, it means 9, and last one place is 9, means again 9. So 599. This is 100 place, 5 is on 100 place, 9 is on 10 place, and 9 is on again 1 place. Okay. Now example number 4. 944. So write down 900. 940 it means 4T and again 4 points. Okay. HTO it means 100, tens and ones. मैं सिर्फ आपको समझने के लिए ये राइट कर रही हूँ, अदरवाइज नो नीड फॉर दिस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 5. 712. So write down 7 is on 100 place and 12 is on 1, 2. 12 is on 10th and 1 place. 712. Now next. Now 6. 827. 827. Okay. Now 7. 251. 250. Sorry. Here is 1 on 1 place. 251. 8th number is 411. 9 is 205. It means 205. Okay. 205. Now 10th is 874. 874. अगर आपको ये रफ वर्क राइट करना है तो राइट कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज सिंपली ऐसे भी राइट कर सकते हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट? नाउ स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. Write in expanded form. Okay. Now first example is 324. Students, please write down firstly places. 4 is on 1 place, 2 is on 10 place, and 3 is on 100 place. So which number is on 100 place? 3. So write down 300 plus 20 plus 4. Students, you don't forget it here, plus sign, because plus sign is very important, otherwise your answer is wrong. Okay, so please don't forget. Now second example is 610. Write down 600 plus 10 plus 0. Okay. 3. Example number 3. 443. So write down firstly 400 because 4 is on 100 place, 4 is on 10 place, and 3 is on 1's place. So write down 400 plus 40 plus 3. Okay. Now example number 4. 109. So 1 is on 100 place, 0 is on 10th place, 9 is on 1's place. So firstly write down 1. Which number is on 100 place? 1. So 100. Okay. Plus sign 0 because this is on 10 place. Plus sign and 9 is 1 place. So write down here 9. Now next example number is 5. 711. 7 is on 100 place, 1 is on 10th place, and 1 is on 1's place. So write down 700 plus 10 plus 1. Okay. Now example number 6. 854. So write down here firstly places, 100, 10s and 1s. Now example number 6. 100 place, 10s place and 1s place. 8 is on 100 place, 5 is on 10s place, and 4 is on 1s place. So write down 800 plus 50 plus 4. Okay. Now example number 7. 549. Write down firstly places, 100 place, 10's place and 1's place. This is rough work, no need, but अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप राइट कर सकते हो. Now 500. 5 is on 100 place, that's why here is 500 plus sign. 4 is on 10's place, that's why I write down here 40 plus 9. Now why here 9? Because 9 is on 1's place. Okay. Now example number 8. 100, 10's, 1's places, and 6 is on 100 place, again 6 is on 10's place, and 4 is on 1's place. So here why this here is 600? Because 6 is on 100 place. 600 plus 60 plus 4. Okay. Now example number 9. 2 is on 100 place, 3 is on 10's place, 4 is on 1's place. That's why 200 here plus 30 plus 4. Okay. Now example number last, tens. 480. So here is 400. Why 400? Because 4 is on 100 place. So 400, it means 20, 100, 400 plus 80. 8 is on tens place. So 80 plus 0. Okay, because 0 is on ones place. That's all. Now next question. Question number E. Write in short form. Means in question number D, this is short form and this is expanded form. Okay. Now in this question number E, here is expanded form and you write down in short form. Okay. Short form means like this. समझ में आया? हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर डी में आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्म दिए हुए थे, आपने एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में राइट किया, एंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर ई आपको एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म दिए हुए हैं, आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में राइट डाउन करना है. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट 400 plus 20 plus 5. This is our first example. Okay, so I think you know the places, number places. So here 5 is on ones place, so write down 5 is on ones place, 20 is on tens place, 2 is not 20, 0 is not, only 2 is on tens place and only 4 is on 100 place. So only this standard number you write down here, not 0. Okay, so write down first 100, tens, ones. Which number is on 100 place? 4. T is tens, 2, 5, ones place. Okay, this is your answer. Now second example, 800, because here is 20, that's why 800. This is on 100 place. Here 20, otherwise any 10, no. So single number, that's why is ones place. So here write down firstly 100, tens and 1 place. Now you solve it. Which number is on 100 place? See here, 8. T is any number here? Any value? No. Tens place is missing. So write down here 0. Okay. Now 9. 9 is on ones place. That's why 9. Now example number 3. 160 plus 7. 100 plus 60 plus 7. Okay. So firstly write down here places 100, tens, ones. So which number is on 100 place? Here is 100 now. So which is on 100 place? 1. Write down here. 60. T. 60. So which is on tens place? 6. Write down here. And 7. Only 7. It means no 0, no any other number here. Only single number. That's why this is on ones place. So write down here 7. 167. This is your answer. This is your short form of this expanded. Okay. Now next 777. Write down 100, tens, ones. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है स्टूडेंट आपको भी ये राइट करना है, क्योंकि अगर आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, आप बार बार ये प्लेसेस राइट करोगे तो आपको आगे का जो प्लेसेस वैल्यू जो है, प्लेस नंबर जो है, वो जो टॉपिक है वो आपको बहुत सिंपल जाएगा। और अगर बार बार हम लिखते हैं तो हमारी प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा होती है। सो आप जहाँ जहाँ मैंने 100 टेंस प्लेस वंस ये राइट किया है वो आप करते जाओ, ताकि आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से वो समझ में आएगा और आप लाइफ में कभी ये भूलोगे नहीं। ओके, सो हियर इज 7 is on 100 place, 7 is again tens place, and 7 is on ones place. Here 100 because 20 is here, so write down here places 700. So 7, which number is on tens place? 7, again 7, and is ones place, 7 is on ones place, so 777. ओके, आपको सिर्फ वहाँ पर स्टैंडर्ड नंबर्स राइट डाउन करने इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म में, वो जीरोज राइट डाउन नहीं करने। जीरोज जो है आपको एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में राइट करने होते हैं। सो एग्जांपल नंबर 5, 300, 300, इट मीन्स 300. सो राइट डाउन हियर 3 is on only 3, not 0. 3 is on 100 place. 10, so tens place, 1 is on tens place. Okay, only one single number, and plus 9 is on ones place. Write down here 100 tens 1. आपको ये इजी क्यों जाएगा? बिकॉज आपने पहले ही क्वेश्चन में वो राइट कर दिया, मेंशन कर दिया कौन सा नंबर कौन से प्लेस पर है, तो आपको एक तुरंत आप क्विकली वो राइट करने में एक्सपर्ट हो जाओगे. सो प्लीज राइट डाउन 3 is on 100 place, 1 is on tens place, 9 is on ones place. Okay, so simple. 319. Now example number 6, 200, 230, 3 is on tens place, and this 3 these 3 is on ones place. Okay, so write down 100 tens and ones. 2 is on 100 place, 3 is on tens place, and again 3 is on ones place. 233. Your answer is correct. Okay, now next 600. So 6 is on 100 place, 6 is on, here is any number, any zero? No. Any number here? No. That's why this is only one single number, ones place. So कौन से नंबर पर होता है? ones place पर होता है. Okay, so write down here 100 tens and ones place. So which number is on 100 place? Students, please tell me. 6. Correct. Tens place, here is missing tens place, so write down. जो मिसिंग होता है, जहाँ कुछ नहीं होता है, वहां पर आपको क्या करना होता है? 0 राइट करना होता है. ओके, नाउ which is on ones place? 6. So 660 is a short form. Okay, now example number is 8, 927. Write down here 100 tens and ones. Which place is on 100 place? Which number is on 100 place? 9. 2. 2 is on tens place, 7 is on ones place. So write down here 7. 927. Now last second number is 100 plus 90 plus 9. So 100 tens and ones. Here write down 100 tens ones. So 1 is on tens 100 place, 9 is on tens place, so write down here 9, and again 9 is on ones place, so here is 9. 199. This is your short form of this expanded form. 400 plus 70 plus 1. 100 tens 1. 100 tens ones. So 400 it means only standard number is 4. 4 is on 100 place, that's why I write down here 4. T is on tens place, so write down here it is 7. Ones place is 1 is on ones place, that's why here write down 1. मीन्स आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पर HTO 100 tens ones, और यहाँ पर भी अगर आप 100 tens ones लिखते हो तो आपको क्या करना है, ये जो 4 है वो 100 के H के नीचे, तो H के नीचे 4 आ जाएगा. 7 किसके नीचे, टेंस प्लेस के नीचे, सो T के नीचे 7 आ जाएगा, और O के नीचे 1 है तो O के नीचे यहाँ पर 1 आ जाएगा. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल ना. ओके, आई होप today's topic is understood. So this is your classwork. Write down in textbook. Now thank you very much, and have a good day. Enjoy your lockdown, everyone. Bye.